This is Oymyakon, a small village in eastern Siberia, also known as the coldest city on Earth. And your car has just broken down. You should get out and look for some help, right? Wrong. In this place, you stay in your car. Two people froze to death while looking for a nearby farm after their vehicle stalled on the road. But 3 other people who were with them survived. We'll tell you how they did, but first let's see what we're working with. Oymyakon's less than 500 inhabitants must endure a harsh winter with only 3 hours of light a day. The average temperature during winter is about -55 degrees Celsius -67 degrees Fahrenheit. And the coldest ever recorded was -72 degrees Celsius -98 degrees Fahrenheit in 2013. If you ever wanted to know how it feels to be on Mars, this is the closest you'll get to its average -80 degrees Celsius, 112 degrees Fahrenheit. Are you ready for this? Feeling like a true survivalist? Now let's see what we can learn from the locals on surviving this frozen village. Step 1. Dress for the occasion. Remember the 3 people who survived after their car broke down in the snow? The only reason they made it out alive was their thermal clothing. If you want to survive a simple 20-minute walk in Oymyakon, you'll need to be smart about what you wear. This means more than just wearing tons of layers. The material of the clothes is the most important thing. Textiles made of wool and fur are the best for trapping heat inside. Start with merino wool thermal leggings, socks, and long sleeve shirt. This fabric is moisture-wicking, so it quickly moves sweat away from your body and dries faster. Then put on a warm insulating layer, which can be a fleece sweater and pants. Then make sure to add a windproof, waterproof and breathable shell jacket. Sounds exhausting, right? Imagine doing this every day. And we're not even done yet. Wear 2 pairs of socks and winter boots with enough room, so it doesn't restrict your blood flow. Get a good fur hat. If you don't feel comfortable using animal products, you can also get synthetic fur. Finally, put on a scarf and thick gloves and you're good to go. It's called fashion. Look it up. Step 2. High-calorie diet. The ground in Oymyakon is too frozen to grow anything but a few wild berries and roots. So you'll have to eat a lot of meat and animal fat to keep your warmth and health. The regular menu in the village includes reindeer and horse meat, frozen fish, and horse blood ice cubes served with macaroni. And don't forget the Siberian delicacy, stroganina. This is frozen fresh river fish, served in long thin slices, usually accompanied by vodka. You can still get a good source of calcium with deer and cow milk. Cows even have to wear a bra to prevent frostbite on their udder. This calorie-rich diet will give you the energy to do your everyday tasks in the village. Residents claim to be in good health thanks to an active lifestyle, healthy food, and clean air and water. Step 3. Lose the booze. There's a common misconception that alcohol will make your body warmer. But this is just an illusion. When alcohol dilates the blood vessels under your skin, blood from your core and inner organs flows into them. So while your skin gets warm, your vital organs aren't receiving the amount of blood they need to function. You might be too drunk to realize how cold you're getting until it's too late. Ironically, vodka will freeze at -27 degrees Celsius -16 degrees Fahrenheit, so you won't be able to drink it outside. Step 4. Listen to your body. If you begin to shiver and experience a very rapid heart rate or shallow breathing, you might be suffering from hypothermia. Other signs are slurred speech and lack of coordination. Feeling any of these symptoms means you could get confused and disoriented very quickly, so you need to get into a warm and dry place right away. Make yourself a hot tea or broth and get under a blanket. This will help in warming up your body. Don't rush to rub or massage your arms and legs. This could move a blood clot from the limbs toward the heart, resulting in cardiac arrest. Another way to push your already stressed heart is to jump into hot water right away. As tempting as it is, that hot bath will have to wait. Step 5. Prevent frostbite. On an average winter day in Oymyakon, it would take approximately 1 minute for a naked person to freeze to death. Even if you are dressed, exposed hands or face may be vulnerable to frostbite. The first stage is called frostnip. The affected area gets numbed, and you might feel itching, stinging, or a burning sensation as it warms up again. In the intermediate stage, the skin becomes hard and looks almost waxy or shiny. Eventually, blisters will start to form, filled with fluid or blood. In the third and most advanced stage, your skin darkens, turning almost blue. You'll lose all sensation in the area. Then it will turn black and hard as it dies. The affected limb can develop gangrene, which in severe cases may lead to amputation. Avoid this painful and gruesome destiny by moving fast and completing your activities quickly when you're outside. Remember to wear mittens, scarf and a hat that protects your ears. People in Oymyakon stay safe by spending as little time as necessary outside. Even the ones who work in the open have to take 20-minute turns.